Object-oriented programming allows you to create objects that have their own properties and behaviors, which can make your code more modular, reusable, and organized. The attributes of a class match the characteristics of the object in the real world. A dog, for instance, can have a name, breed, and age. This is how we declare it in Python. Regarding methods, they mimic the behaviors of the objects. This example considers the ability for the dog to bark and wag its tail. To create a new object, a dog, we can instantiate using the class that we created before. Setting and getting the object values are commonly used. We can do it using the following notation. To make the object perform the action, we call the method on the instance that we create. This makes the dog bark and wag the tail. I hope this helps give you a basic understanding of object-oriented programming and how it can be used in programming.